As I ride through the dusty roads of Sindh today, I found myself passing near Bhit, a town I had only read about in my school days. Memories rushed back, those classroom hours when I studied a chapter in my Arabic textbook about Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. Back then, he was just a name, a poet, a mystic, but today, destiny brought me to his shrine, and I decided to step inside. Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai was born in 1689 in Hala, Sindh. A descendant of saints from Herat, Afghanistan, he grew into a scholar, thinker, and mystic. He lived among the people, walked with travelers, sat with fishermen, and listened to women who sang folk tales. His poetry was not written in ivory towers. It was carved from the soil of Sindh, from the struggles and hopes of ordinary lives. He passed away in 1752, and his followers built this shrine to honor him. Shah Latif's philosophy was simple yet profound: love, tolerance, and unity. He believed that God's presence could be felt in every grain of sand, every drop of water, and every human heart. His verses in Shah Jo Risalo speak of courage, sacrifice, and the eternal search for truth. He celebrated women as symbols of resilience, Marui, who resisted the temptations of a king to stay loyal to her homeland, Sasui, who crossed deserts in search of her beloved. Through these tales, Shah Latif taught us that the journey of love is the journey to God. People come to the shrine of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai in Bhit, not just to honor a poet, but to touch the soul of Sindh. They visit to hear the Shah Jo Rag sung by fakirs who keep his verses alive. They come seeking peace, inspiration, and the timeless wisdom of a mystic who taught love, tolerance, and unity. For some, it is a pilgrimage of faith. For others, a journey of culture and history. But for all, the shrine is a place where poetry becomes prayer, and where the spirit of Shah Latif still whispers, truth is found in love, and love is found in God. The shrine of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai stands tall in Bhit, Matiari district, Sindh. Built in 1792 CE, its Indo-Islamic architecture shines with blue and turquoise Sindhi tiles, intricate floral patterns, and a grand dome that shelters the saint's final resting place. As I entered, the fragrance of incense mixed with the sound of devotional music, the Shah Jo Rag, sung by fakirs who keep his poetry alive. The courtyard was alive with pilgrims, yet there was a silence within me, a silence that felt like prayer. Standing before his grave, enclosed in a carved wooden screen, I felt the weight of centuries. I remembered my school days in Punjab when his name was just a chapter in a book. Today it was alive. His shrine was not just bricks and tiles, it was a living heartbeat of Sindh. I realized that Shah Latif's message was not confined to Sindh or Pakistan or even Islam. It was universal. It was about humanity, about finding God through love and compassion. Every year, 500,000 devotees gather here for his urs, celebrating his life with music, poetry, and prayer. The shrine becomes a sea of colors, women in vibrant Sindhi adraks, men singing verses late into the night. Even today, as I stood there, I heard the fakirs singing. Latif's words are not just poetry, they are pathways to the divine. And I felt perhaps this was why I was drawn here. As I left the shrine, I thought, Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai is not just a poet of Sindh, he is a poet of the soul. His shrine is not just a monument, it is a reminder that love, sacrifice, and truth are eternal. And as I walked away, I carried with me not just the memory of a visit, but the living spirit of Shah Latif, guiding me as he has guided millions towards the path of love. Thanks for watching Tarar Support. Join us for more cultural journeys.